If your Facebook page is monetized in Kenya, updating your KRA tax details is now required for payouts. Meta requires tax details for Kenyan creators so that withholding tax can be handled correctly before payouts are made. Now, before you update anything, make sure you have your KRA PIN, the legal name registered with your KRA, and your current address. Once your page is monetized, you will find the tax section inside your Facebook page. Under the professional dashboard, you'll go to monetization and then payouts and finally your tax information. So in the tax section, enter your KRA PIN number, your legal name or the business name, and your address. Make sure these details match exactly with your KRA records. Important note, using incorrect tax details can delay payouts or cause issues later when filing returns. So take time to confirm everything is correct. Now, after updating your tax details, Meta will automatically deduct the required withholding tax, send it directly to KRA, and your payouts will continue as normal. Some common mistakes include using a different name from KRA, mixing personal and business details, or ignoring the tax update notifications. To sum it up, keeping your tax details accurate helps protect your income as a content creator. Please subscribe for more simple and clear tax guidance if you have not subscribed. See you in the next video.